the connect wallet. As you can see, we have the connect wallet here and our address. Let me increase this our code so that we can be able to see what's going on. I don't know if this is too big. So today we'll be using TON Connect JavaScript SDK to create our connect button. So I wanted to use a Node.js, but I found out a simple way to use just JavaScript. Ton Connect has a JavaScript connect using deep link. So let me just know we all talk and get to the code. First of all, we are going to get the SDK JavaScript link, and as you can see, we have our connect button, our address, and some styles. Just simple styles, not that complex. Let's paste our link here. Should I increase it more? Okay, let's paste our link here. Yep. So we'll start with writing a script, creating our connector. Should I say connector instance is equals to a new TON Connect. So I didn't want to do it in a way that we'll have to get to the Telegram mini app, but it should work both here and in the Telegram mini app. Manifest URL, and for this manifest URL you have to host this. To tell you guys, this is the manifest URL, this JSON file with the name, the URL, and the icon. Let's check out this icon here. This is just one of my best picture that I just picked up from Splash, my dream car. So that's going to be an icon, and you have to host it like this. Without this manifest JSON, it won't work. So if you copy this like this and paste here, it doesn't give it to us, but I think I use this method, so you can use the same. Let me copy it. I use this link to access it. It was let me paste it here so that I can explain. raw.github user connect, and as you can see, once anywhere that you're hosting it, make sure that once you click on the link, it's going to give you this, not this. So you can use this cell format, just this, the name, the repo, the branch, and then the file. That's how I did it, and it gave me this. I think it was this raw.github something. Once it gives you this, then you are good to go, and it should have this, the name, the URL, and the icon. Without this three, TON Connect is going to automatically reject it. So with this, we have our manifest URL. Then we'll be going to create our connect here. Let me cost connect wallet. This is our connect function. Log create, copy here, and then here on click, and let's see if it's going to work. I hope it works. Okay, so it's working. Okay, now let's create our wallet. Cost wallet called action source universal. This is the TON. This is the link that opens up our TON Keeper wallet and starts the connection process. So let me copy this. This is the link. I've copied the link. Okay. Then our bridge URL. This is the URL that bridge between the URL for the bridge between the web app and the wallet, allowing communication between them. So I will not be going much more deep. Just be working with it shallow. Yep. So with this we have our connect secure. If you have worked with other wallets, you just see something like creating different wallets. That's what this is. Yep. And this is our deep link. Let me log it out. These two of them are not the same. I just wanted to use this name, yeah, nothing personal. Okay, and as you can see, we have this. Let me just click on it, and yeah, this is it. Let me sign in with Web, and I will show you guys. And as you can see, do you see? This is our icon. That's our icon URL, and this is our name. No text app is requesting access, and then when you connect, nothing happens. So instead of us copying and paste, let's just do window, open a new tab. Dot open. We're going to be opening a new tab each time we click our button. Sorry, we will open a new tab. Yes. Okay. Let's connect again. And as you can see, it's opening a new tab. It doesn't need us to do anything. So our app is now connecting to our TON Keeper, but we are not getting any address. Just like our previous video. If you check our previous video, if you are coming from our video, our tax video, then that deep link that we were adding to our Firebase or what we just created here. So, well, in this video, we'll now be getting our address connector dot on status. Sorry, on status change status log status. Let's try again. Now we'll connect, sign in with 12. Yep. Oh, and now you are getting something. So this is just like I forgot but it's just like a chat. We are building a chat. I don't know. I can't remember. So this is our address, but if you check, see our address, see as it is, it's giving us the raw format. But see this one. Let me just show you guys. Do you see how our own is? But if you check this, I want to connect again. Yeah, you can see it's giving us something like this, which we can't send anything to. And this is just the main raw format, so we'll be trying to convert it to base64, which will give us this. So, and we are going to be using fetch and running an API. So let's do const. I will fetch the API. Yeah. And if we do it like this, let me first of all get our address. So cost raw address is equals to status dot account dot address. So this is not supposed to, this will be like this. Okay, let's check it again. I hope Tonkeeper doesn't say, hey, you don't have any phones again. Stop disturbing our app. And we add it like this. And let's hope it works. Fetch API URL. We are going to be using get method. Get headers accept application by JSON. Dot then rest no rest.json dot then data if data dot okay log console dot log data. The reason I don't like this chain reaction is because I don't even know where to add our dot catch. I hope he's here. Let me delete this and format. Okay, so now let's check. I hope I didn't confuse you guys, because using fetch, you have to do all these things. It is our React code, or I think it's fairly no satisfier. So let me just go back to this encode URL. Oh, let me do this, sorry, we are not adding our raw address properly. So sign in, connect, and let's hope. Oh, it's working. We are adding our raw address now, and we are getting our result. Data dot result. So we are going to be noting out this. The address may differ because it's different. We use different encoding for both of them. I couldn't get like the encoding they are using for it, but I know that we use different encoding. But when I sent some funds through this, it went through, so no need to panic. It's still the same. If you send any funds there, it will still be the same. So let's just get our address count, or you can just save it on your, you can just save it on your Firebase, whichever one you like. Dot inner HTML is equals to data result. And sign in it. TON Connect. Yep. And this is it, fam. Let me just comment this one out, and then comment out our status. Then you can use, if your address exists, do this and do this, or you can send the address to the database. Oh, it's working. I think it was because of something we added somewhere. So you can get the wallet state, and I think you can also get the balance from this. So guys, we just solved that major problem, and I hope you guys have clicked and subscribed, because we'll be solving more. If you have any more stuff you want us to build here, just drop it in the comments below, and I'll make a research on it. Or if you want us to build something like on different chains, connecting to different chains, then drop it also. I'll work on that.